Well, guys, this is kind of a unplanned video. I was actually just going to come out here and do my pours for the July 5th Redneck Metals auction, and I got my first large copper skull poured and was going to reload, or actually did reload my crucible, and went to pouring some things that, some other stuff that I could pour by hand over here on this bench. I came back to do my second pour, and Old Silver has kicked the bucket. So I actually don't really know what I'm going to do right now, if I have to do a larger pour. But anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and pour some other stuff, whatever I can do with a torch, and I'll show you the finished products when I get inside. And I guess I'll have to start saving up for a furnace. So, anywho, we'll get back at you when we get inside. And there they are, guys. This is our pours for the July 5th Redneck Metals auction. I just wanted to make a little quick video showing you and letting everybody know that July 5th at 5:30 Eastern Time there will be a Redneck Metals auction. So everybody try and be there. That was the very last pour that came out of Old Silver. Old Silver, as I just said earlier, has gone to that great kiln in the sky. I'm going to take it apart and see if I can fix it, but I don't know. So this is kind of a combination video. I just wanted to show you guys what I had poured for the auction, and to let you know that Old Silver bit the dust, and for right now it's just gonna have to stay that way, because I am still unsure of when I will be going back to work. My company that I work for actually did end up shutting down one of their stores completely, so I don't know exactly when I will be going back to work, so that kind of puts things on hold on getting a furnace right now. I'm not gonna, I can't lay out the money to buy a furnace when I don't know exactly what's going on with the employment status things yet. So anyhow, guys, I can still do pours, though they're just going to be smaller. I can't do anything of any size, anything over about 2.5 or 3 ounces. I can't, probably about 2.5 ounces I can't do, because I just have a very small torch. So anyhow, I just wanted to let you guys know about the auction, let you know that Old Silver has done his job to the best of his ability and has gone to, like I said, that great kiln in the sky. So anyway, guys, we'll see you all in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.